Hey, Chris with RC Worst here. Welcome back to another great video. Today we're going to be doing water filters on a pure UV water filtration system. So we're going to be showing you how to change or replace your water filters. So some key things to know here. A tip that you're going to want, have a 5-gallon bucket handy, because when you take these filters off, they're going to be full of water and you're going to want somewhere to put that as well as dump the old filter out. So to get things kicked off, we'll shut off the incoming water supply, and then what you want to do next is go open a tap somewhere in the house to then let off any excess pressure that's in the line. Once that's relieved, shut off the outgoing water supply, and you've got the system isolated, and you're not going to have a bunch of water running back on you as you remove these housings. And then now we've got our handy dandy wrench, and what this is going to allow us to do is loosen these filter housings up. And you just want to get it loose enough that you can turn it by hand and then go the rest of the way by hand. So we've got our filter housings loose. We'll set our wrench aside, and a reminder that wrench is only intended for loosening the filter housings, not tightening the filter housings. It's extremely easy to over tighten these. So you take this guy off the wall, and this is where you would dump your water, an old water filter. Now we actually have brand new filters in this guy, so in this case you would slap your new filter in, and but before you do that, what I would recommend you do is clean the inside of your filter housing with some rubbing alcohol, some isopropyl alcohol. Take a paper towel and clean the inside of this housing really well, and then you're ready to install the new filter. The other thing you want to keep in mind is inspect your O-ring visually. Make sure you don't have any tears, creases, or any markings on it whatsoever. You want a nice clean O-ring that's in good shape. And it's also important to remember to lubricate the O-ring with a silicone-based lubricant. You don't want to use any petroleum-based products. If you had to, you could use like olive oil or vegetable oil in a pinch. But it is recommended to use like a silicone-based lubricant because it's going to hold up better in the long run. That serves two purposes. It helps to lubricate the O-ring when you're tightening it so that it doesn't pinch up or bunch up on you, and at the same time it keeps the O-ring nice and moist so it doesn't crack and dry out on you at this. So that's basically it with the O-ring. So we'll install our new filter just like so, with the housing cleaned, O-ring lubricated, hand tight, and you just go basically as tight as you can get it with your hand. And it's going to be the same situation with this one. Pull it off the wall, dump the water out, wipe it out with the alcohol, put in a new filter, check your O-ring, lubricate your O-ring, and then reinstall. Once that's all said and done, you're able to go ahead and open your valves back up, repressurize the system, and come back, check for leaks, making sure that you don't have water dripping anywhere, and then that's it. You can walk away. So maintaining and changing your filters is very easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to customer service. We're happy to help you out any way we can. Otherwise, that was it for this video. Thanks a lot for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, lots of how-to videos and things of that nature. So thanks for joining me. We'll catch you next time.